this is Tim from Your Tech Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you where to find the parental controls on your Android phone, and you can set them up under here. So this is going to be linked through your Google account. So we can just swipe on down from the top right and go to Settings. Scrolling down and locate Google services could be at the top on your Pixel. So let's go down and we can find it on my Samsung phone right here. Go to All Services. And then going down, and we should have an option for parental controls under all services. So just continue scrolling down, and we should be able to see this under here. So I think I see it right here, kids and family, parental controls. So basically all you have to do is pick an account to be the supervisor, and then you log in with your children's account, and then you should be able to supervise what they do. So you can just go to Let's Do This, supervise account, pick your account on there. Next steps are for Timbo's parents. Okay. So enter the Google account you'll use to supervise your child account. So you can just enter it in right here. And then you should be able to sign in. And then you should be able to supervise your child through here. So just look at that section and you should be able to manage everything through there. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out